Welcome to You Can Automate YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about await keyword and async keyword in JavaScript and WebdriverIO. What is this await and what is this async? Before knowing about it, let's look into the session which we had it before this session so that we'll have a clear idea what we have done and what we are going to do. If you look at here, we have added one test case. That test case is responsible for launching the website, any website. Okay, and if I want to print the title of the website here, how do I print it? Is console dot log, and I'm going to write browser dot get title. And this is a suggestion, this is an auto suggestion given by WebdriverIO and Visual Studio Code, which will print me the title of the website. Okay, this is how I'm going to print it. Let me execute this, then see what happens. Okay, to execute any of the test case in WebdriverIO, npx wdio run, and you need to specify the conf.js file. What is a configuration.js file? Is wdio.conf.js. Okay, it has to launch the website and then it has to print the title of it. Okay, this is the log which we have seen here. Test case got passed. Let's see where the title it got printed. Just let me scroll above. If you see here, this is what it is printing. Promise inside flower bracket is it is printing pending. What that means is, in JavaScript all will be executed in a single time, so there is no guarantee that it will execute this particular line of statement first and then it will execute this. Here it is launching the website and again in the next line it is printing the title. But in JavaScript it is a async function, right? It will it will execute this particular command. It will not wait for it to print, it will just go forward. That's why it is printing that it is waiting for that particular statement to print the title, but the control has gone forward. That's why here it is saying that promise, and inside flower bracket is saying pending. How to handle this? Because if we are going to continue the same thing, then we cannot write a good test cases, and then we cannot do assertion, we cannot print any of the title. In JavaScript we have a keyword called async. What is that async is? We are specifying this function is async mode. That's why I'm adding a keyword here. I need to put that keyword in the beginning of a function like this, and this is a function, and similarly I need to specify here also at the test case level. Okay, and this means that we are saying that this is a async function, and inside this we are going to specify that, if you observe here browser.url, we need to say that wait till this completely this particular command gets executed. Wait for it. How do we say that? By using a keyword called await. Okay, that means that it will wait till this complete website gets launched in the browser, then it will go to the next step. Okay, first it will wait till the entire website get launched, then it will go for this get browser dot get title. Here also we want to say that wait till this complete title gets printed. Here also we are adding await. Okay, and of course this console.log will print whatever this particular browser.get title will return. So this way we can achieve the execution of statements in a sequential order. That means that here we are waiting for this particular line of statements to get executed, and here also we are waiting for this particular line of statement to get executed. Okay, let's execute this particular changes and see how does it look. I'm going to clear the command and I'm going to execute this. Now it is launching the browser. It has to open the website. It should wait till the entire website gets loaded. This got completed. Let's look at the logs here. What is it printed? If you see here, this particular command got executed, and this is what the result got printed. Online shopping site in India. Entire title got printed. Earlier it was not printing, now it is printing because of await keyword. Right? This is how we use await and async in JavaScript with WebdriverIO so that we can achieve our desired results. That's it for today. Thank you. See you in the next video.